Welcome back to another English tutorial, friends. In this video, I'm going to tell you the differences between the word alumni, alumnus, alumna and alumni. Let's first get the meaning of the word. So alumni or alumnus, it refers to the students of a particular institution who've passed out from that particular institution. You want to refer to them as an alumni or alumnus. Alumni, what is an alumni? It is a masculine plural form of the noun. Plural form of the noun when you refer to a male student groups. That's called alumni. Alumnus, it's a masculine singular form of the noun. So if I want to say Srivalsan is an alumnus of London School of Economics, then I will say Srivalsan is an alumnus. It's masculine singular form of the noun. Alumna, it refers to a feminine singular form of the noun. For example, Moushumi Kaur is an alumna of Amity University. And finally, alumni, it refers to a feminine plural form of the noun. Means a group of women who have passed out from Amity University. They are the alumni of Amity University, Kolkata. So friends, I hope you've really enjoyed and learned a lot from this video and understood the difference between alumni, alumnus, alumna and alumni, and use this to become a perfect and confident English speaker and improve your communicative English and progress in life. Like, share, follow me for more such English tutorials in the future.